Yeah man, I make some FuFu in idea. Plantain FuFu. Eat with some bean and beef that. Alright. Yardman FuFu. Then know you go. Drop a one thumbs up. Big up. So as a yardman you have to know if you hooks coconut with your lass. You have to know if you grab your lass and hooks out a coconut quick and fast. As a yardman. Yeah man. Make sure you can do that. Yeah man. Bust out the coconut 3 piece in another one. On the stubborn I go like fly out. Alright, see him there. Get rid of them there now and come back and bust you up. Bust up the coconut get him chop up and cut up and see. Not cut up, grate off. I forgot to say, grate on your grater. I blend about a grate on your grater. I prefer grater, it is it. Tasty water, not sometimes every water, dry coconut water nice. That one is too nice, dash away man. Bust up here now. You can get it ready up. And my FuFu if you have some coconut milk. We now just use plain water. The thing is different when you're in a far kitchen, you see it? But I want to come out easy and free. I get him cut up now. To the size you want. Great time. Get him wash off. Yeah man, I don't know everything of it clean. As a yard man though. Yeah man, go and wash him off man. Come over here and fast brother. Someone there will take 1 million here. Wash off, you see them. Get some fresh water and rinse them off again. Alright, ready for great time now. Alright. Don't need to overdrive now. Savage, the grater, juicy water now. Squeeze him out and juice him out and then give him a next second juice out. Get out all of the extract out right. All of the milk want. Yeah man, look a bit of water this time. Fresh milk. Alright now, grab some plant. When I'm planting a little say, what my father said when I'm planting, she drop down and then carry some plant, don't give me the full enough but then just liquor. Yeah man. Besides, I make some FuFu out of some of them in idea. Don't know as a bad chef we have to fuck up any menu. You see it? Yeah man, we have a million more menu to make man. Just a warm up you know. Believe. Long time we need to start this or that. We've been to do this long time but we just never document it. You see it? All right, my friend them. All of the dog then always hear me talk, so I start my channel, you know. Finally, there's always the right time for everything, you know, man. You see it? Finally started now, so you know me can't tap again. From a good, you know, video I'm gonna make, cause I cook every day, so why not just document it? You see it? Yeah. On that time I ain't not go in front of no camera, but yeah, dog, we just have to go up on the camera, but I'm gonna do the right thing. Chop up that and get him ready for blend out and all. Lift out the blender from inside. Get the blender active up to blend out. Blender no really no high-tech blender still, you know. Throw it in it and blend out it. Throw some milk in it. Fresh milk, coconut milk, and we just scrape it. Blend it up. Take time with the blender, high-tech blender, is it? Yeah man, see they don't blend now. I blend out properly, but I work with it like that. Drop him on the wood fire. Those are good things. I'm drop you on the wood fire to bombard, you know, cause it take long you freak, bro. They stir and they stir and they stir and they stir. Well, bombard here, brother. Put it on the stove, probably don't have me gas in idea, yo. Glad me put it on the stove, the wood fire there. It's a good thing, I love cook on wood fire, yo. Cause wood fire food just sweeter. And for the adventure to see me. Yeah, but I don't feel like I don't make stove and my gas and everything. Yeah, but as a yard man, bumbo clad, watch it man. Pop out the bumbo clad, FuFu and the pop out the beans and beef. Oh, that's sick so. Now like first me I do it and my honest opinion, yeah, it did be nice. Yeah, now like can go on man. In real life, I can try it out man. Plant me was we just gliding bro because I coconut milk. Yeah man, but bad man. No joke, was an experience, you know. Finally experience the African food, you know. Was an experience, you know. Somebody they go and take a couple bite well, couple eat well outside. I mean I eat half well it still. Yeah, honestly. I cried in real life. Plus me have other things I may eat too and sing. Well, I can't eat everything one time, you know. I eat too much sin. But big up on yourself same way. You don't know. Big up on the badness. All of my subscribers them big up on the badness. And take in the next video where I pop up on the screen now.